Astaris. No, it's fine. It will eventually do it for me. We were formed about 5 years ago. We are now 7 strong, soon to be 8. We're based at Shoreham Airport, and we service clients in Sussex, Surrey, London, and all over the place. There are 2 questions that we really need to answer for you guys. Number 1 is, what do we mean by a managed IT services company? What do we mean when we say networks? And how is that different from other IT support companies? If you picture a network as it grows, initially there'll be a computer, a printer, and some way to the internet. As the business grows, there's a few more people, a few more computers, a bit more technology, another printer, and a few more people join, and we perhaps want to connect up the CCTV system to the network. We've got some iPads, we've got some USB sticks with company data on. We've got a few more people in the business now. We're going to buy a shiny new phone system that does what we need, and that needs to be connected to the network, and there's a second internet connection. Our network's growing, the people are growing. Okay, we're getting loads of spam in our emails. We need to sort out the emails. That needs to work properly. I don't want everybody to be able to look at the accounts folder and the HR folder on our shared drive. So I need some security in there. Probably need some backup as well at some point. The business continues to grow. It's growing organically. I've got some people who need to be able to work from home. I need people to be able to work out on the road. They've got mobile phones with company data on it. All of this data, it's all growing and growing and growing. The network is growing and growing and growing. It all grows organically. And there comes a point where the business owner, perhaps, I don't know, they've had a virus infection. Their team and their staff are fighting with the technology. It's sort of working, it's sort of not. And the computers are a bit slow, can't find stuff, don't have the right access to things. People are working on spreadsheets and then, oh bugger, I've overwritten it, or no, you were working on the wrong version. This happens as IT grows organically. And they come to the realisation that perhaps they're not best placed to look after this stuff for themselves. And that's what Astaris does. We do IT support with an emphasis on networks. If we can make your network reliable, I can make your printers reliable. If I can make your network reliable, I can make your email reliable. If I can make your network reliable, I can make your security predictable and easy to use. So we're looking to speak to businesses where people are fighting with the IT, where it's grown organically, where the comms cabinet, wherever the internet comes in, looks like a small explosion in a spaghetti factory. There's a couple of really good triggers for us. And that is, if you're talking to someone and they've got their work mobile phone out and you see they're getting spam on their work mobile phone in their email. The thing is, email is the thing that we all interact with all day, every day. So if your email isn't being looked after because you're getting spam, and spam is entirely optional, you don't have to get it. If you're getting spam on your mobile phone, it means that your mail service isn't being looked after, isn't being loved, isn't being cared for. And that's the thing you interact with all the time. So, it means the rest of your network and systems are not being looked after. So if you see customers, clients, people you're out and about with, and they're getting spam on their mobiles, it's a really good introduction for us, because it's a dead giveaway their network isn't being looked after. I particularly want to speak to businesses that have multiple locations to allow people to work smoothly between those, and remote workers and that kind of thing. Why do we not do break fix? So break fix is, it breaks, you phone, we come running. The thing is, once you get past a couple of users, that's just not a scalable solution, because it takes an amount of time to get to you, you've got downtime, not scalable. Managed IT services, all about proactive management, maintenance, preventing problems before they occur. We will make systems and networks secure, robust and reliable. That's Ivan from Astaris. Networks. Thank you.